Hello, welcome to Take a Step to a Better You. In this video, I've been focused on affiliate marketing for beginners, but especially high ticket, more specifically, high ticket affiliate marketing for beginners. So this video is for you if you want to know about that. And I'm talking about the details or the summary of the lesson that you cover in the program that I've been praising a lot, the best program in 2024 for affiliate marketers, the Brian Brewer's 90-minute affiliate course. It's free. You don't need just your email and you can watch. You don't need a credit card. You know, that's so cool. So if you're seeing me for the very first time, my name is Sherifa Nakalema. I'm a business owner in Virginia, USA. Since 2024, I'm a full-time affiliate marketer working from home full-time. As I'm recording this, it's midnight. See, yeah, you work anytime you choose. And I want to invite you to enjoy this kind of freedoms. You may think, oh, but you're working at midnight, but I chose to do that, right? So if any of that sounds interesting, and the other stuff I do here on my YouTube channel, I talk about how do we get better as people. That's the personal development, right? Then I do some motivation, asking you to take a step to make your life better. But the intention is to share what I know about business. I'm very passionate. Have you seen me talking about this? Yes. We need to make more money, but we need to make it in a way that's like long term. We set up things, assets, like businesses, okay? And affiliate marketing is a way to do this. I'm going to show you this. You can start today and finish today. What I mean by finish today, start promoting today. You learn today, start setting up the same day. So, but I want to first tell you what this is about. Brian Brewer is the one who created it. He's done affiliate marketing for 12 years. He's won all the awards. And he came up with something simple to make sure people get results. His goal is to make sure people get results faster. That's why he made this only 90 minutes. And so what you do if you want to, after I mentioned the 90 minutes, what you learn, after you learn, all you do to start making the money, right? All you do is, after this, you go below this video, my video, there's a link that takes you to, that's me now, asking me for your email. And once you give me my email, I want to know who you are. Or we connect, right? Then I'm sending it to Brian. Because I'm already promoting this. But I want to support you because I have a little bit more time than him. So after I put your email, I'm going to respond to you. My name is Sherifa. And I say, okay, that's a link to go to Brian. Over there, all you need to do is confirm your email, register, get a password, and you're good to go. So once you log in, this is what you're going to see. 6 lessons and a bonus one. And briefly, I'm going to tell you what these 6 are. My program is open right now. So the first, he calls it, actually he named it, and I think I like this name. He says, my $1 million affiliate marketing framework. It's like how you could market to $1 million because he has made the $1 million. Yeah, he has done this in ClickFunnels, has all the awards, you see. So lesson number 1. By the way, if you are watching this on a cell phone, make sure you look below. You look like once you tap on the lesson, just look at the bottom. That's where the video is opening. It's not opening on the side. And he put a note for you. But some people miss it. Please, if you choose to do this and you're on a phone, once you get to the lesson 1, look below. Like you open the lesson and look at the bottom. That's where the video is opening. It's not opening on the side, okay? So he has this here as a note for you. Now, lesson 1, he's going to tell you what is, remember the whole total is 90 minutes, 1.5 hours. That's why I say you can do this in one day and continue with even becoming an affiliate in the same day. Lesson 1, what is affiliate marketing exactly? So it's going to show you how affiliate marketing compares with a regular business of physical things, like where you have a regular business. Because this business, we just promote other companies' products. These are not our products. So he explains that lesson 1. Lesson 2, why everyone should start with affiliate marketing. Like if you want to start a business these days, instead of starting your own product like he did, you start promoting other companies' products. Then later, you create your own, like what he did. Now, this is his own, but for 12 years, he's promoting other companies' products. So why? Why do it like that? Number 3, lesson 3, don't start with the product, start with your market. You see, he's going to talk about health, wealth, relationships. That's in that lesson 3. Lesson number 4, choosing your first affiliate product. How do you choose your first affiliate product? He's going to show you that. Lesson number 5, make funnels easy. He's going to show you how you create a funnel. And the purpose of the funnel is capture your email, your people's emails, and also to create the automation where you automate emails to people. Yeah, so she's making it easy for you. And lesson number 6, this is the traffic framework and commission conversions. He's talking about how you make commission with this and all that. So bonus, there is the bonus one, how to achieve your dream life. Now I'm going to spend a little bit more time on this one because he was preparing you for the future. If you come, most people when they come to do this kind of thing, they've never done business at all. So the emotions, what goes on when you are doing a business, people don't understand what you're doing. Now he's explaining this in the bonus lesson. And this is what he's saying. There's actually a diagram about this. He says, you're going to experience these emotional cycles of change. He calls them emotional cycles of change. You're going to start off, according to him, uninformed optimism. You are so excited, but you actually don't know much about the thing, right? You're just excited, yeah. But you are uninformed. You don't know exactly what you're doing. Then you're going to get to another stage, which is informed pessimism. Like when you are going to set up how to capture people's email, it takes a little bit, although he's showing you everything how you do it if you choose. If you choose to upgrade, there's an upgrade option where he shows you how to do everything, like step by step. So if you choose that, it's going to be easier for you. But if you're doing it alone, some people say, well, can't I search YouTube? No. You can search YouTube, but you could get confused. So he's showing you how to do that if you choose to do it. But he says, as you are in that process of setting up your funnels and how things will work, you're going to be in a state of informed pessimism. Now you've seen what you need to do, right? Can you imagine a person setting up a store and they have to rent a place and have to put in all the furniture and stuff like that? Like you're setting up something. You start like, okay, you are informed what you need to do, but personally you're starting doubting a little bit. So that's normal. He's preparing you for what is going to happen. Like as you're doing that. But the good thing, we are here to support you, okay? Me, when I was doing that, I was all alone. I was just reading instruction and doing it. But now we are here to support you, so it may feel easier. So another one, he's saying there is the valley, like you get in the valley of despair, like you are not so sure what you're doing, or start doubting yourself, all these things, emotions. He's saying these are normal emotions. So when those things happen, just know good things are about to happen. So after that, then you are going up. Remember, you set a goal for yourself. Now he says, after you go through all that, now start seeing results. Things start happening. Okay, so that's the bonus training he has for you after 6 lessons. Now, after you go through all that and you feel like, wow, this is cool, he gives you an option to apply to promote it, become an affiliate. Now, if you have some knowledge, you could be promoted a product before, it's free to promote. You apply, promote. If you are new to this whole thing, he's asking you to upgrade, meaning you need someone to show you what to do next. Because next you're going to set up your funnels, how people capture people's emails. You're going to set up automated emails, autoresponder. If those words are not familiar to you, you're going to need him to show you. So there is the next lesson that are blocked out, that you can't access them, you have to upgrade. You see, he's going to explain all this. But if you're the one who came here and you're already an affiliate marketer, you know what to do. All you have to do is apply and then submit your W-9. If you're in USA, social security number. If you are in other countries, W-8. Although this message for me recently, I know this is not for everyone, but also it's not some countries. If you are considered to be in a developed country, you are covered with this program. But for me, I've been talking more to Americans. If you're an American, I'm talking to you. If you're not an American, but you know you're in a developed country, you can do this too. If you are watching me and you are not in a developed country, you're not in America, I have something for you at the bottom. You're going to connect with me. I'll show you something else. This one is not for you, okay? So you finish the course, you apply to become an affiliate. He's going to ask you a few questions. When he asks you, okay, how are you going to promote this? How are you going to say TikTok? This is easy in TikTok. You can use other apps, but TikTok is the best. And then the easiest to start off if you are new to these things. Then he's going to ask you for your social security number or tax ID if you have a business. And that's going to be on form W9. If you are in another country, not USA, it's going to be W8. After I submit those, then it's going to ask you, okay, how are you? Am I going to pay you? And he pays once a month, and he pays through PayPal. So you have to submit your PayPal information. After that, she'll give you a link. You start promoting. I'm telling you, connect with me. That's why I did it, so that you can connect with me too. You start off putting your email, right? Let me know. You say, you know what? I'm ready. If you are ready, I'm ready to support you. Brian is also supporting you. So if you choose to upgrade and get into those ones that are locked up, there is a fee to be in that program. We come twice a week. We're making it fun, actually. We are making it fun. I'm one of the members, vocal members in there. We support you, feel at home. Can you imagine starting your business, but everyone is cheering you on and showing you how to do it better? I'm here also, have my own little community, taking you on Zoom, taking a look at your TikTok. How do we make it better? You're going to feel good. So, you know what's missing? Is you taking action. So those are the 6 lessons that are in Brian Brewer's free free affiliate marketing course. It's just 90 minutes, 1.5 hours, you're done. And then you go through all that, and he'll give you a link to promote. And for those of you who are new, like you, these things I'm talking about, they're all sounding weird. Just go ahead, as long as you're in those countries, in the developed countries, just go in USA, just go ahead and go below and put your email. You're going to click, it says this, click to go to the course, but you add your email. You see me over there asking for your email, and then I'm sending you an email automated. It's all automated. These are the things you're going to learn. It's fun. And then it will take you to Brian's course. But somewhere in the middle, I'm sharing my WhatsApp number. So you feel free to text me and say, you know what? I just did this. I saw you on YouTube. What is this all about? I explain everything in detail, and I'll be happy to support you, because me, it's a passion of mine. I want people to have better lives. Yeah, 56 years old. I'm still doing it. And I want to be a rich grandma. That's my, yeah, rich grandma, where our kids come and have fun. But I won't spoil them. They'll be just happy grandkids, because I can't spoil anyone. I'm tough. Okay? Thank you for watching this. Again, that's the free course that's what you cover, and I think you're going to love it. He made this easy. But I do affiliate marketing, and most courses take 30 days, 15 days. It's taking only 90 minutes, and you could see money really quickly. It's possible to see money really quickly, because if you are familiar with how we promote things, so you could see a commission showing up. And did I tell you how much it pays you? 50% commissions. These are $1,000 commissions. And there is some passive income in there too. You see, once you get inside, you understand it. Okay, like I always end these videos, I say, take very good care of yourself, take very good care of your families, take very good care of your health. Look below the description and see where you fall. There's 3, okay, I'll put the link that takes you to Brian. If you want to watch a little bit more of this, or rather don't think you do, but I'll put another one that says what I call the advantages. Advantages, let me put a note here. Advantages of this program over others. And then, okay, if you want to watch a little bit more of this before you go to Brian, you don't click to go to Brian yet. Then you go to watch the advantages, whether I think this is a good program. And then for those of you who are not in USA, not in a developed country, I have a link for you. I call it community. You're going to you get to my WhatsApp number too, but I'll find something else for you, because this is not for you. Please don't get into this one, because over there inside is blocking countries, so you won't be able to access it. But we have others. I'll share you what is for you. Like I always end them, I say, take very good care of yourself, take very good care of your families, take very good care of your health. Without health, you have nothing. Add a comment for me. What do you think? And most importantly, go check it out. Take yourself to a better you. And remember to like, to share, to subscribe. I almost forget about that. Like it, please. Add a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel to support this message. Okay? Take yourself to a better you. Bye-bye. Peace.